As work in London is finishing, the weekly courtship rituals begin. These are known in the local vernacular as Friday night out. Early in the evening, men group into packs. Later, packs of women too will emerge. Humans enjoy the safety a large group offers, though it can prove more difficult to ensnare a mate in the pack environment, so they will also operate in pairs. This pair have been spotted by a prowling male. As they pass, he turns to take in their posteriors. Another young male puffs out his chest, a challenging gesture of strength and virility. These women are attracted by a male, but they move on. Sometimes humans will also operate alone. The courtship ritual begins with the consumption of opiates. After consuming opiates, an ordinary man might attempt an extraordinary feat, causing females to overrate his sexual prowess. Thus, he may secure a mate above his station. This man optimistically limbers up his groin. Of course, later, the opiates must be excreted. Opiates can increase the likelihood of a conquest. But they can also lead to rejection.
Can I get a drink? No thanks. Are you sure? Yeah.
Rejection is a sad yet common feature of courtship. Here, a woman learns of it through her portable communication device. This woman has consumed opiates heavily. Now she learns of rejection too.
He's just fucking gone off with me, you fucking wanker! He's such a cunt! He just fucked off with her and just fucking dumped me. I just fucking sent her a fucking text message and he's been fucking replied! I'm just not ever fucking coming out on a Friday again. It's just a fucking waste of time. He's such an ass. He's not worth it. Oh, I really twisted my fucking ankle as well. Alright, but it's not worth getting into this state over, is it? Yeah, but you can fuck off with this stupid fucking mobile fucking phone. He's got a fucking cigarette now. He can suck cock. Fucking wanker. No, he's done it too often now. Yeah, well, that's enough. I told you the last time he did it, would you listen? Yeah, well, he can...
Dressing is crucial in ensnaring a mate. This woman has chosen carefully to display her pert bosoms and a youthful physique which she has dieted hard to retain. Men prize such a physique. It is youthful, even adolescent, which suggests fertility, potential bedroom athleticism, and also virginity. With virginity, the male knows the female has not previously been inseminated. Any young she bears will be his, and he will not be bringing up the offspring of another. Though her physique suggests virginity, her clothing displays availability. Men will want to copulate with this woman tonight. Men will employ different methods to win this woman. Some will pretend to be a funny guy. Others will use cars, believing, perhaps rightly, that some women will confuse a fast car for large genitalia. As night falls, genetic mutations appear. This man prefers men. Bizarrely, he has dressed as a woman to attract other men who love men. He is what is known as a character. This couple's courtship has been going well. She touches her rump, revealing her readiness. Another couple have courted successfully. They are returning early to one of their lairs to copulate. Many of those who have failed to secure a mate now come to feed. Nourishment will perhaps fortify them for a successful hunt tomorrow. This man demands extra chili sauce. Now people return home on some public transportation device. As they do so, to others, the ritual of courtship means nothing.